In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import fonts into Elementor. If you've ever wanted to personalize your website with custom typography but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily add any font to your Elementor projects, giving your site that unique touch that sets it apart. First, let's start with why you'd want to import fonts in the first place. Custom fonts can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your site, align it better with your brand, and improve readability, capturing the essence of what your website represents. Elementor is a powerful tool, but sometimes the default font selection just doesn't cut it. So, let's dive into how you can expand your options. You'll begin by visiting your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Elementor section on the left-hand side. Under this section, you'll find custom fonts. Click on that to open its settings page. This particular option allows you to upload fonts directly for use within Elementor, ensuring your typography choices look exactly how you envision them. Next, it's time to add your new font. In the Custom Fonts page, you'll see an Add New button. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a form where you'll be required to enter some information about your font. Start by giving your font a name. Make sure it's something easily identifiable so you can find it easily when you're ready to apply it in your designs. Once you've named your font, you'll need to upload the font files. Typically, you'll be working with formats like WOFF, TTF, or OTF. Click on the Upload button and select the files from your computer. You can upload different variations, such as bold or italic, to ensure the font looks consistent across different text styles on your site. Remember to save after each upload, to not lose any progress. After you've uploaded the necessary files, save your new font by clicking the Publish button. Now, your custom font is part of your Elementor toolkit and can be used as you create or edit any page on your WordPress site. Finally, let's apply the font you just added. Go back to the page where you want to use your new font. With Elementor open, select the text element you wish to modify. Under the Style tab, you'll find the Typography settings. Here, in the Family drop-down, you should see your newly imported font listed. Select it, and watch as your text adopts the new styling. And there you have it. Following these steps, you can take full advantage of custom fonts in Elementor, creating web pages that truly reflect your brand's personality. So go ahead and play around with different fonts to see what works best for you. Feel free to explore and experiment. Your site is your canvas. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!